I'm launching my own energy drink today. It's called Chronos. 4 flavors, 1 slogan. Own your time. I'm not paying a marketing agency 5 to 10,000 euro to build a launch campaign. I'm doing the whole thing with Claude and Higgsfield. 1 prompt, 1 afternoon, full launch, strategy, 16 UGC videos, Instagram visuals, a 2-week launch calendar. Let me show you exactly how. Before anything happens, we connect Higgsfield to Claude. 30 seconds, you do it once. Go to higgsfield.ai, open the MCP and CLI tab, make sure Claude is selected at the top and copy the link. Open Claude, click Customize, then Connectors, hit the plus button, choose Add Custom Connector, name it Higgsfield, paste the link, click Add, quick authentication and you're connected. Now Claude can generate videos and images through Higgsfield directly. That's the whole point. Now I give Claude 1 prompt, acting as my full marketing agency. I tell it, launch Chronos, 4 flavors, slogan, own your time. Target active, productive, sporty young people. Research the 4 best UGC formats for energy drinks. Build a strategy, generate 15 seconds video with Seedance 2.0, generate Instagram images, build me 2-week launch calendar. 1 message, send. Claude starts working, research first, strategy second, generation third. Same order a real agency would follow, except this takes minutes, not weeks. Here's what came back. Chrono is positioned as the productivity first energy drink. A Red Bull sells extreme sports, Monster sells rebellion, Chronos sells ownership of your hours. The hourglass on the can is the anchor. Time is the one thing you can't refund. Then 3 campaign angles. The 3 PM wall for productivity crowd, last rep, last boss, last page for gym and gaming, own the last hours for students and creators working past midnight. The campaign has a clear story before any visual gets started. Now the part I care about most, the UGC videos. In 2026, UGC is the highest converting format on the internet right now, especially for young audience. It doesn't look like an ad, the algorithm rewards it and people actually trust it. That's why I built the entire campaign around UGC. 16 videos, 4 categories, 4 videos per category, 15 seconds each, vertical, ready for TikTok, Reels and Shorts. I will show you one from each category. Let's go! First category, street interviews. The one I picked, it's a skater at sunset.
What flavor were they thinking when they made this?
Bro, it actually tastes like watermelon. Not fake watermelon, real. You don't need a reason, just try it.
Let me play it again. Notice the honest bit after he tasted. The can label stays consistent through every frame. The location feels real. For a fully AI-generated street interview, this already at running an ad to more quality. Skepticism to conversion in 15 seconds. That's the format. Next, product reviews. A creator on camera talking about the product like they actually drink it. The one I picked is at the skate park. Talking head, sunset light, the opening line is gold.
Most red energy drinks taste like cough syrup. Hear me out. Okay, I was wrong. This actually tastes like watermelon. Sweet, not syrupy. I'd buy it again.
The doubt to conversion structure is the whole magic. People scroll past pure enthusiasm and the can stays sharp to every cut. That's a paid ad. Third, day in the life. The product appears inside the routine, no selling, no talking head, no script. The one I picked is my favorite. POV of a student studying late at night. This doesn't feel like an ad, it feels like a vlog clip. The brand integrates without selling, the algorithm loves it, the audience trusts it. This is the format that quietly builds long-term brand. Last category, testimonial reactions. First sip on the camera, curiosity build into the format. The one I picked, it's a streamer at his setup. Purple RGB lighting, headset on his neck. Chat told him to try Chronos Berry. First sip on the stream.
Chat said try this. First sip on stream. Okay, chat, this is genuinely good. It's berry, real berries, not grape candy. Let's go.
Streamer content, organic reaction, first sip on stream, TikTok is this format alive. Out of all 16 videos, this one has the highest viral potential. I'd put paid spend behind this one tomorrow. Now the static side. For Instagram visuals, Claude chose Nano Banana Pro through Higgsfield. And honestly, the results are excellent. 10 images total, hero shot for each flavor, lifestyle visuals, a 4-can family lineup, and a luxury close-up for the grid. What I really like is the consistency. Same lighting, same product placement, same mood across all 4 flavor worlds. Original for the gym vibe, watermelon for skate and summer, tropical for beach, berry for late night purple energy. This isn't for random images, this is a brand system. I could schedule them straight into Instagram tomorrow and start building the audience before cans are even on shelves. Now the part that hits hardest, the numbers. Everything you just saw, full strategy, 16 UGC videos, 10 Instagram images, the launch calendar came around 2,180 Higgsfield credits. That's the entire campaign. Now compare that to a real marketing agency. For this exact brief, energy drink launch, 4 flavors, full campaign, you are easily looking at 5 to 10,000 euro. And that's just the first delivery. Revision cost extra, faster turnaround cost extra, on time 2 to 3 weeks minimum. Kickoff calls, strategists, copywriter, designer, revisions, more revisions. Claude did it in minutes. I'm very happy with what I got for the price. There's no honest comparison. Full transparency, you still need to write a smart prompt. You still need to pick the best outputs. Human taste in the loop hasn't changed. What used to need a team and a budget now needs a good prompt and a connector. And the output isn't a rough draft, it's ready to publish. For a solo founder, a small brand, or anyone testing a new product idea, the entry barrier just collapsed. If you want to try this yourself, the Higgsfield MCP link is in the description. 30 seconds to connect. And I'm curious, what would you launch? Drop it in the comments, subscribe for more workflows like this. See you in the next one.